Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm showing you some essential shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so let's jump straight in. Spacebar is to play your video. Okay, spacebar again stops the video. Now your arrow keys, left arrow key is to move back a frame, right arrow key to move forward a frame. Of course you can hold them down to go faster. The up arrow will lead to the previous, just so that's done there, and the down arrow will lead to the next. Okay, so it will jump for you. Now, the I key is to mark in. So let's press I. Let's move forward. Or it might be a bit faster if we do it this way. And the O key is to mark out. So it's selected this. Okay, selected this point. The Enter key will play from the beginning of your marked clip. Okay, just like that. And again, space bar to stop it. Okay, you have the S key. As you can see, it's changing this down here, which is the snap feature. Okay, so snap feature's on. So if we move anything around, it will automatically snap. See, like just like how it's done there. It will snap. If we turn that off, it's not going to snap. Okay, pretty self-explanatory there. And the final two I'll show you is the C key. Enables this razor. Okay, so you can cut up a video just as you like. And to get back to the regular select, you press V and you're back to regular select. That easy, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.